what initially was supposed to build all the bridges in the country and bring Kenyans together so that we are one country, one people, and one destiny, should not at any cost divide us. So the hope that NCIC, the security system, and everybody else has is that the word will be true, that it will build bridges. And that's our prayer, that Kenyans are united. They are not divided into tribes or into regions because of politics, but we bring them together in the spirit of the word itself, BBI, Building Bridges Initiative.
So key among the interests that the people, especially in Njoro and Mariashoni area, which is Molo, is about land ownership, that people feel that they have not gotten what they expected in terms of being allocated and also being issued with title deeds so that they can be able to utilize their parcels of land freely. The area is under caveat. So these are some of the things that we want to resolve once and for all. And also demarcate the area that is supposed to be under forest and that is supposed to be under human settlement. The communication that I have and the guarantee that I can give people there is that we are not keen on evicting. We know the settlement package was supposed to be for 5 acres per homestead, and that is what we are doing at the moment, although there are some people who extended beyond where the government had allocated. We are not kicking them out. Those who are in the areas that are ecologically sensitive will be shown elsewhere but may not get the exact 5 acres that others are getting.
Kitu ninahimiza kama jamii ni kwamba wakae, kama iko shida waseme shida yao na serikali isikize. Kama ni Wakikuyu, kama ni Kipsigis, kama ni jamii Okiek, tusilete fujo tena, kwa sababu hii inamaliza maisha. Na pia iangaliwe pia BBI iingishwe katika jamii zote ili waweze kufaulu na malilio yao isikizwe.
Of course, we avoid these people who are coming to take charge, like the Mungiki and all these other groups, which are actually they are grouping. And we know we have already reported to NCIC, and we know that we are regrouping to avoid all this. Can we have them become Kenyan citizens like any other person? And we avoid anything that can bring us back to 2007, 2008. That's why we are here.